Hello and welcome to my Submagic AI Magic Clips tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Submagic AI Magic Clips features to convert your long form video into multiple short form clips. So if you are interested in Magic Clips feature, then watch this video till the end. By the way, if you don't have Submagic AI account, then you can create your Submagic AI free account using the link given in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you will get Submagic AI free account without giving your credit card details. And suppose if you want to upgrade to any of Submagic AI paid plan, then you can use my coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% additional discount in any Submagic AI pricing plan. So that free trial link and that special Submagic AI coupon code both are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So now let me show you how to use Magic Clip features. So when you will log into your Submagic account, then you will see a dashboard like this. So from here, as you can see, there is Magic Clip option. So when you will click on Magic Clip option, then you will see a pop-up like this, which will help you to upload your main video. So you can upload from your computer, you can upload from Google Drive, and suppose if you have published that video in YouTube, then you can directly share YouTube video link here. But I don't have any video which I want to convert, so for demo purpose I'm gonna use Alexa emoji interview video link from here just for demo purpose, and let me paste this YouTube video link here. So as you can see, as it has automatically detected speech language is English, and clip duration you can select it from here, like less than 30 seconds, 30 to 59 seconds, 60 to 89 seconds, but I will leave it as it is. And there is another option, caption theme, which type of caption you wanna use, like Alexa emoji type caption, Iman Gaji type of caption, or any other caption style. You can select it from here. So let's say I want to use Alexa emoji type of caption style, so I'm gonna select her emoji 2 caption style from here. And also there is face tracking option enabled, so I'm gonna leave all the option as it is. I have just changed the caption theme, and let's click on generate clip button. So as you can see, it is generating this video, and estimate time is 19 minutes. So I will be back when it will be completed. So finally Submagic AI has completed the process, and it has created 31 viral clips from this original video. Let's see what it has created. So let me open this, let me click on edit button, and here as you can see, it has created lots of video, 1 minute video, 1 minute video, 59-second video, and this is 48-second video, this is 35-second video, and all this thing. So and also it has given it a title and little bit of description, like what is the title and what it has covered in this particular video, okay, in this particular clip. And for example, this is a video about good people won't work for you. So let me play this clip so you can see how it is looking right now with the captions and all these things.
But the issue is that good people don't want to work, not entrepreneurs in general. And so that's why
okay, so as you can see, in this way you can convert your long form videos into multiple short form clips with the help of Submagic AI, and it will also give it a title, and it will also explain what it has covered in this particular video. So as you can see, in just a few minutes you can convert your long form video into multiple short form clip, and you can post it in multiple social media platform. In this way you can repurpose your content. You don't need to hire anyone to convert your long form videos into multiple short form clip with the title and description and all these things. Okay, as you can see, it is looking good, and also it has added captions in your video, so this is another good thing I can say. So in my opinion, Submagic AI Magic Clip is worth trying. So if you want to try this feature yourself, then you can create your free account using the link given in the video description. Okay, and suppose after watching this video, if you are ready to purchase Submagic AI, then you can use my special coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% discount in any Submagic AI pricing plan. So I hope now you understood how to convert your long form video into short form clips with the help of Submagic AI. If you found my Submagic AI Magic Clips tutorial video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.